This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 342 BHTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, Slideout, smoke detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, LP detector, oven, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, refrigerator, leveling jacks, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 342 BHTS is 10,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.